Hi everybody, today we're gonna build a car. Let's see, we have gaskets and tires and those wheels and stuff and other things, and well, how about we get going? Yeah, that's a good idea. Here it is. Ooh, heavy. Ooh, heavy. Oh, there we go. Let's put that down. Now let me find my other piece. Oh, I slipped on a banana. Okay, here it is. Oh wait, no. Oh yes, here it is. There we go. Now let me put them. Okay. Now let's see. Here it is. Let's put that on. Now. Oh no! Ow! My wheel.